What's going on, everybody? I'm Mike from the Rev Room. Today we have an ashtray. Let's just dive right into this. There's nothing to it. It's an ashtray. It's a single cigar ashtray from XIFEI. Here it is. You got the XIFEI logo on the bottom. It is, I want to say it's like etched in to the bottom, so it shouldn't get damaged when you're ashing into it. And it's some kind of aluminum. Doesn't really say, but I'm going to go with it's aluminum. See on the inside some more writing, more nonsense, nothing special, but it says Fashion Power. I don't know what that means, but it's a single cigar ashtray. I don't really go for these too much. I do have other ashtrays, 4-finger, 5-finger, 6-finger ashtrays that I tend to use more. I guess if you're by yourself or you don't really want to carry around something that big with you, you could go with this one. Or if, again, you just want something small, you have a small table, small end table or something like that, you would need a smaller ashtray. But that's basically it. So no need to drag out this video. If you guys like this video, let us know. Comment down below if you guys own one of these or any other type of ashtray recommendations, any other recommendations that you guys would like to see on this channel. Let me know. Comment down below. And thank you guys for watching. Take care.